Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the revision class. Today I want to discuss the MCQs or multiple choice questions. Okay. Now we will do from composite maths. This is in page number 29. Come to page number 29. The first question. Question is commas are inserted in a number after each dash. Okay. Here the options are given: digit, place, period and group. You have to answer that commas are inserted. As you know, you are giving commas according to the international form and according to the Indian system. Two systems you are following. So here it is told that in both the systems how you are giving the commas. So answer will be number C, according to the periods. That means the commas are based on the periods. One period is completed, you are giving the commas. Again the second period is completed, you are giving the commas. That means when you are writing ones, tens, hundred, these three are in the ones family. So ones period, comma, then 1000, 10,000. These two are the members of the thousands family or periods. Again comma, then lakh and 10 lakh, like this way. Okay. So this is the Indian system. So after every periods we are giving the commas. Similarly, come to question number 2. Question number 2, a 7-digit number starts with dash place in the Indian system. Now you have to write for the Indian system. What is the 7th digit? So start counting: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, then 10 lakhs. That means the 7th digit is the 10 lakhs digit. So give a tick mark in option number C, 10 lakhs. So 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is an 8-digit number starts with dash place in the international system. Now start counting the international system: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions. That means the 8th digit is in the 10 millions place. Okay. So for number 3 the answer will be option number C, that is 10 millions. So an 8-digit number starts with 10 millions place in the international system. Clear? Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is the place value of 9 in the numeral. This is the figure given or the numeral is given. You have to find the 9. 9 is in which place? Okay. So start counting from the back side: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million and 10 million. That means it is in the 9, 10 million or 90 million. Clear? So it will be question number B. Sorry, question number 4. The option will be number B, that is 90 million. Clear? So give a tick mark in 90 million. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5. The numeral, this one will be written in the international system. That means you have to give the commas according to the international system. The commas are given based on Indian system. Okay. So Indian system the rule is 3 then 2 2 2. But in international system the rule is 3 3 3. That means in every period the members are 3 in international system. Okay. So it will be option number A. Okay. Give a tick mark in option number A. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is the sum of the greatest 6-digit number and the greatest 7-digit number. Now you have to calculate this. The sum of greatest 6-digit and greatest 7-digit number. So greatest 6-digit number, first you will write greatest 7-digit number. As you know, you will write 7 times 9. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You have to add with 6 greatest digit number. That means 6 times 9 times 6 times 9. 4, 5, 6. So add it. 18 carry 1. 9 plus 1 10. 19 carry 1. Again 19. That means option number B. Okay, option number B. So question number 6 answer is option number B. Now come to question number 7. The place value and the face value of a digit are always equal at the dash. That means the place value as well as the face value both are same in which place? It is possible only in ones place. Only in ones place both the face values as well as the place value remains same. Okay, so you will give a tick mark in number A. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8 is the number of zeros in 100 millions are. The number of zeros in 100 millions. Okay, so how many zeros are there in 100 millions? Start counting. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and then 100 million. 100 million is a 9-digit number, but in 100 million 1 is there and after that 8 zeros are there. Okay, so here it is asked that how many zeros are there. So you will give the tick mark in number B because 1 is in the one place and after that 8 zeros. It will make the 100 million. Okay, not number C. The answer is option number B, 8. Now come to question number 9. Question number 9. The numeral for 90 crore 9,000 is. So this is number C. Okay, it is given in words, you have to write in figures. So the answer is number C. Give a tick mark in number C. Now come to question number 10. Question number 10. The numeral for 90 million 90,000 90 is. These type of sums you have already practiced. Okay, it is given in words, you are writing in figures. So number 10, 90 million 90,000 90. It will be option number D. Option number D. Clear? So once more I am telling you the answers for question number 1. It is, just I am writing. Okay, you write over in your book. For question number 1, option number C. For question number 2, option number C. For question 3, the option is again C. For question 4, the option is B, means the correct answer is B. For question number 5, the correct option or the correct answer is A. For question number 6, the correct answer is option number B. For question number 7, the correct answer is option number A. For question number 8, the correct option is number B. And for 9, the correct option is number C. Question number 10, the correct option is number D. Okay, so today up to this only. We will revise question bank 2 in our next class. Okay, so thank you all of you and goodbye.